magsisimula ang inyong preparasyon in 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, chefs.
Go, guys.
May ano dito. Yun.
Okay.
Fudgy bar, 2 cups of all-purpose bar, 2 tablespoons of fresh milk.
2 cups of corn.
Do we even have the rice?
It was 60 grams.
6 pieces to. I think dalawa yung flavors natin. Isa for Ralph and isa for Kira.
Okay. What flavors are you thinking muna?
Diba, like, for the
Paano? Diretso siya nilalagay. Okay. Buhay muna tayo ng water.
We could be, this is the presentation of the fudgy bar na flavored. Pero anong gusto mo ilagay dyan? Ay, susunod dun.
Yeah, kailangan lagay ito. Tapos, let's put ano na lang, additional na lang. Yeah.
So, I'll start with the water.
Okay.
6 to...
6 to 8 cups. Where's the... We can use this.
Combine all the... Girl, I bake. I got this in the bag.
bake.
We used to sell...
So, would you like to interview us while we do our thing? Or nag-enjoy naman kayo dyan? Would you like some appetizers? We're okay.
Topping of your shoe.
We'll visit you guys.
Okay. So, let's start with...
We'll let you guys start off peacefully first.
Yes.
You go.
Pressure you guys later.
Here, the other side. Wala ba dyan?
flour or pancake mix. I think
Missy?
we'll go for the pancake.
Pancake mix. This is pancake.
2
Ito na, this is 1 cup to.
This one. 200.
Dito mo na lang lagay.
Be careful, bestie.
Dapat ito. So, kasi takto siya.
Go pa. 8.
Okay na yan.
Oopsie. Okay na to.
Put it here.
Watery or
Okay, get another scoop. Ako malapot.
Go.
Oh, I see the competition heating up, huh?
Babe, we got this.
Oh, they're sifting. They're sifting. I see.
Good luck on your champorado, babes.
Good luck on your pancakes.
Mm-hmm. So, I love this moment na I feel like I'm a baker.
I love it too. I love baking talaga. Kuya, thank you so much.
Should just make it 6.
Thank you, Fudgy Bar, for letting us bake.
Pusin mo na lang yan.
Tama yan. Okay, next ingredient.
Salt optional? No, it's not an optional.
No,
We
you
will.
put salt. One have one.
Teaspoon na.
Bring to a boil.
That 2 spoons.
But,
Okay.
First fudgy bar has been
Yeah.
brought to the table.
and that is, I believe, the dark
Diretso natin. Do you want to...
That's the normal.
May milk
Ako
ba
na.
dito?
chocolate.
salt.
Oo.
I think ano lang, pinch.
Kasi nalagay siya dito.
Wala tayong nag-host.
But this needs to boil first. However,
Pwede na ito i-dissolve. Ito i-crush.
let's crush it first.
Yeah. Para mas malasa.
Oo. The original lang, no? Hindi yung...
Yeah. Original chocolate.
What's
Sarap
better
talaga
than
yan.
the OG flavor?
1 tablespoon of baking powder.
I see they're
Crushing it.
gonna crush it, mash it up.
So the fudgy bar coming out early from Team Bianca and Nicole, but they dropped a spatula. And we won't use that spatula.
We won't.
Oh, that's sanitizing.
No. Why?
So, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Wait lang, ate. Yes, sugar.
Sugar, yeah. Don't worry, babe.
This is milk.
I think.
Lagyan natin ito konti.
Yes.
No. Fudgy Bar is so sweet.
Super small.
And what flavor?
So, don't make it
will
too
they
sweet.
be
Because
Okay.
they might say it's too
2
sweet.
tablespoon, I think is
Mixing milk?
a tablespoon. So
Tablespoon, sakto
Oh,
yun.
this is
You want me to
evaporated
mix it
milk.
na talaga?
Yeah, go. Iyan mo lang para
Sip it,
mag-paste
baby.
siya.
Got it.
Go. Tapos, let's add some hot water.
here.
Okay, on another clean bowl.
Aray.
We combine the eggs, milk,
Eggs.
and milk.
Everything wet. Make everything wet.
How many eggs? Maybe 2 eggs. Feeling ko kailangan
2 eggs tama na. 2 full eggs na.
Look at our face go.
and 1 yolk.
Yes, yes, yes.
Go, go, go,
whisk.
go.
Uh-huh.
We want to make sure that you guys have a nice experience when it touches your taste buds.
Thank you very much.
We want it to melt in your mouth. We want every bite
and
to
1
be
yolk. I
like
think
fireworks,
would make it perfect.
bursting with flavor, bursting with
You can
so
take
much
a yolk.
color, bursting
No, I know.
lots of
Okay, go, go, go.
sparks.
Because baby,
Oh, this is condensed.
Sarap.
Sorry, wrong.
Magaling, magaling.
Thank you. Thank you.
baby, can I put here the ano?
Go for it, babe.
Glutinous rice.
No, no, no. We can add like
The egg master is at it right
Egg
now.
tapos
Back.
the tablespoon.
Let's go, Esnir.
Tablespoons.
I'm just getting the yolk, baby.
Just one. Yan, 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 yan. Yes, 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 yes. And then,
I feel like recently, Esnir hasn't been doing the best. I think the other day he dropped his own.
Yes, I
tapos,
Let's see if he makes that crucial mistake again.
Oh,
And the yolk has
Vanilla.
dropped. Yes.
go, 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 go.
drop the yolk.
Mm-hmm.
Biam.
How will he fix that, I
Paano kaya
wonder?
makaka-recover ang Team Charlie and Esnir dito?
ooh,
Yes.
it's looking like a little mess in here.
Oh, girls.
Oh, stay in my station. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Sorry, they're not
Too
respecting
early,
our
babe.
space.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Too early.
I'm so sorry.
We're the underdogs, we're the underdogs.
We're the underdogs, we're the underdogs.
Aha.
And Esnir, are you guys the dark horse?
Milk?
Hello?
Under horse dog?
Tissue, baby.
That is not full.
Yan, okay na.
Okay, like, what are you gonna do with the veggie burger? Where do you want it? You want to chop it up and put it
Let
in
him
the
cook.
batter?
Yeah.
Mix it up, okay. And since you're making two
Unahin natin yung
flavors.
dark choco. Right. Right.
I think we can all relate to how much we love sa bahay ni Kuya talaga. Or essential talaga talagang masasabi
I think
natin.
ililiquid
Melted butter. We
natin.
need our melted butter.
So, this creation simply just
4 tablespoons of butter melted.
pa.
Here, here, here.
Bar.
I think we need to melt.
We'll give you
Here.
an explanation of what we're doing. We currently pasteurize our fudgy bar, and here it's easier so that when we put in the boiling water, the flavors will develop faster din. So stay tuned kasi masarap po itong aming champorado.
That's melted, baby.
Can I
Super melted.
Okay, go.
Tikman mo.
Less talk, more flavor.
Yes!
Just like the fudgy bar.
Let's talk more flavor. And we see Team Charlie and Esnir has finally brought out
Boiling na
a
yan.
fudgy bar.
The
Yes,
dark
yes, yes.
chocolate one, yes.
You want to do it two sides.
Yes, 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 yes,
Tama,
yes,
tama,
yes,
tama.
yes, yes, yes.
Our minds are colliding.
Right?
Ah.
So far, our pace is looking great and it tastes amazing. Salamat sa fudgy bar. Tama?
You know, honestly, I think fudgy bar, it speaks for itself. The flavors are just always melting on our tongue. So, you know,
Pakunwari, tumitingin sa pastry and pantry, pero tinitingnan pala yung ano namin, strategy. Baby, I know you. I've been into many cooking show competitions.
you know, I just feel like they're insecure. That's why
Shut
they
up
come
na,
over.
babe. We're underdogs, babe.
Yeah.
We are underdogs, babe.
Because at the end of the day, we're a family.
Yeah. And you know, fudgy bar gets us together talaga. It unites us.
Give me the...
Are you guys excited? Like, can I see your outfits? Medyo matching pa kayo, ah.
Yeah.
What's your favorite, fudgy bar flavor?
Oh, it's such a tough one. All of them are unique
Or-
in their own way. They're all bursting with flavor.
Yeah, you got kasi
But I
it's
think
of
my
fudgy.
favorite one would have to be the original dark and the vanilla cream in the mocha bar.
Oh.
I would say
Tingnan natin. I did.
the dark chocolate and number 2 would be the
I did wash my hands.
Mocha yung gusto niya, bakla.
You know, it doesn't matter what
Bakla
our
mo
are.
gusto niya, bakla. Oh, no, no, no. Ganto, ano. Yes, 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 yes. Yan, tama yan. Tatlo, sige, tatlo.
We could mix some vanilla in
Yes,
there.
yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, yes, 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 yes.
Okay, okay.
Classic original chocolate.
Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Are you excited for our champorado? It's actually our first time to be making champorado made from fudgy.
I'll mix the batter
Very
na para maganda.
interesting because, diba,
You want it like super chop?
kanina na kung ano yung ginagawa
Dahil gusto niyo mo super chop,
Every
dahil.
time nagugugol
Pwede
because
gyapon.
we always have
Or pwede ka pa yung medyo
all
may the
stocked
bites
up
sulod
in
mo.
the
Para
pan.
murag every time may bite.
Yes. And we have Chef Michael over here who's really busy. Yes, lang.
Showcasing his knife skills, cutting up the fudgy bars. The precision.
Yes.
He is a veteran for sure.
I've seen this before, Ralph. I've seen Esnir do this many times
Let
when
it boil
he's
muna
making
before
his
we-
brownie bites out of the fudgy bar.
Mm-hmm.
I think Charlie and Ishni are two of the most experienced when it comes to the brownie bites in the kitchen.
Yes.
In his house. So let's see how they make it happen. Charlie's back to the whisk. Julian is here, still mashing up those fudgy bars.
Oh yeah, chopping it real fine.
Cream cheese?
Right?
Cream cheese on champorado? I doubt, girl.
Sorry, Kuya, I haven't had cheese in a bit. I got distracted.
Chef Bianca.
Sorry. Aray!
Ay,
Oh.
po, malapit na po
Oh.
matulog ang ating chef.
Safety first.
Ay.
First.
At the cream cheese.
Practice safety in the kitchen, baby.
Chef Michael and Chef Bianca, kita namin nakakalagay nyo lang ng sticky rice na kanin sa loob ng inyong pot. Do you think you have enough time for this to cook?
Actually, we're pretty chilling.
Really?
Konti na lang.
Can I put?
We're just gonna
Feeling mo this is enough na? I think no. Kasi we'll need to add more flavor.
Wait, you want to hati the butter first para may
Yeah.
kainan? Okay, I'll hati.
Yes.
Hati ko muna.
Yes.
Yeah. And at the end of the day, guys, Fudgy Bar talaga, I'm excited to see their pancake creation. And of course, itong champorado creation din namin, but
Oh, I'm craving for champorado na tuloy!
Same! I need the rice too.
I love the sportsmanship that we have here, Ralph.
And Fudgy Bar brings us all
All together.
Alam ko na, girly. I-chop ko to ng sobra, tapos yung isa is the bites.
Part of the show, part of being an underdog.
Charlie and Esnir, can we get a little update on the happening of your creation?
How's it going?
We're currently incorporating the fudgy bar into our dish right now.
Yes. And we want to make sure to give that pancake a little bit of oomph to it. Yeah. So, yeah. We don't have that much flowering words, but we'll surely,
It will speak for itself.
yes.
More fun.
Yes.
Like fudgy bar, lots of flavors.
Yeah.
Girly.
Charlie, you've got a really good consistency there for your batter.
We got a really thick consistency for our thick pancakes. You know what's up when it's up to this.
Oh. That looks amazing, guys.
Thank you.
Oh.
Y'all are so sweet. Love y'all.
Yung grabe na yun ni Michael, parang medyo sarcastic, pero okay, sige. Esnir and...
Ikaw, Esnir, if magbibigay ka ng isang fudgy bar flavor sa crush mo, ano yun at bakit?
at sino yung crush?
At sino yung crush?
Oh.
Depende kasi sa araw yung crush niya. Alam niyo
Tama,
naman to.
tama.
Actually.
Ano natin, prinsesa natin.
Ang mutya ng boys room.
Siguro, the chocolate one.
And why?
The classic.
The classic.
It just reminds me
Yeah.
of my first love, and chocolate fudgy bar is my first love among all the
Wow!
see.
Great answer.
Yes,
Ano naman
go.
ang ibibigay mo
Time,
sa
we can
second
toast
crush
it.
mo, Es?
Sa second crush mo, sapat na ba ang flavors ng fudgy bar para sa bilang ng crush mo, Esnir?
We could also use...
Kulang pa.
Kulang pa!
Dapat
May
lagyan pa nila
drizzle
ng
tayo.
sobrang
We can make more.
The peanut butter first.
Oh, I can see Michael chopping up 2 flavors of our fudgy bars. I wonder what he's gonna be doing with it.
I think they're copying us, besties.
Oh, let's not point fingers over here.
Yeah.
No, I
It's a
will.
healthy competition.
Oh, mabigat. It's mabigat, bro.
Oh, mabigat daw.
Oh, the consistency
Parang ang
is
kapal nga ng
very
batter, oh.
thick.
You want me to add more
You add a
water?
little more
Ay,
mix
ano?
of that or water?
See how it turns out.
Or should we trust
Ay,
the process?
love that
See how
girl.
it turns out.
Traz.
Raz,
The process.
Team Raz, my partner is not here.
What's
Oh, your
3 4
partner
cups
is
and
feeling
2
major FOMO right now,
I
Ralph.
know she is. She will. That one's a different one, you know.
Yeah.
She is
She's one of a
something
kind.
else. She is something
something
else.
Matamis yung ano.
Mga 3 yan.
Ooh, a lot more sugar going into this champurrado.
Oh.
Bianca calculating in her head, is this
A
enough?
genius, I may say.
A genius.
In her head talaga.
Yes.
You know, before she sleeps, she actually studies the calculations and the measurements.
Oh.
That's why my partner, you know, I believe in her.
That's why she's so quick on her feet, quick to make decisions with regards to food.
Yes.
Yes.
Tama.
And fun fact, she did bring a cooking book into the bahay ni Kuya.
Ah.
It just goes to show how passionate she is about food
Yes,
and
tama.
cooking. I appreciate
It's good, it's pancake.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, I think we're gonna add dried fish on top, baby.
Dried fish.
Dried fish?
For pancakes.
Meron? May dried fish dyan?
For fudge,
Meron.
for champurado,
Meron,
I'd
te.
understand.
Meron?
Oh!
We love
Okay.
Oh, there is.
Helped out.
You know what, Ralph? I have never tried dry fish with champurrado.
With champurrado, really?
I've never
Anong
tried it. Have you?
I have before. The
Plating.
saltiness very much complements the sweetness that champurrado brings. So it's gonna be an interesting first time for you.
It's really
I
sweet.
think so. I can't imagine what that tastes like.
Sorry, Chef Bianca, what was that? It's really
It's
sweet.
really sweet.
Is that a good thing or a bad
Oh, yeah.
thing?
But I think kulang sa chocolate. You get what I'm saying?
Are they having doubts?
Yeah.
Some issues going on this side of the
Okay.
kitchen.
Kaya wag na tayo. Okay na yung...
Iba yung more.
Pwede mo lagyan ng dark.
More chocolate.
Banana.
Okay.
Mas masarap.
Gusto mo ikot natin
That's
to
good.
like house one?
It's really good, guys.
Chocolate
Very
chip.
Medyo malaki.
chip.
Para maliit.
Yeah, masarap yan pag nagnag.
Very chocolate.
Now, nagtitimpla na lang kami based on what we think you would like. So, alam ko na. Lagyan natin ng konting...
How's it going over there, Charlie? We are checking the batter.
Oh, they're trying to make a FOMO, girl.
Oh, tayo din, tayo
Oh,
din.
you know,
tayo din.
I'm pretty sure they're cheering for you guys. Little do we know, they're
Isa pa.
probably
Oh,
watching us from
mag-ano tayo? In
inside.
3, we love you, Fudgy Bar.
1, 2, 3.
You fudgy
Bro, not the grass.
Lagging G for Fudgy!
That's not gonna make us FOMO, babe. Whatever you do.
They're too busy. So, kamusta naman ang kinalalabasan ng inyong pancakes? Chef Charlie and Chef Isnir?
The pancake
Doing
is
good?
cooking. It's rising.
It's
if you know what
rising,
I mean.
uh-huh.
It's rising. And I'm trying to check if I can flip it na ba or
All right.
Okay.
Flip it, babe!
Will it flip?
Will it flip? That's the question.
Will it flip?
And will it be fluffy?
Will it be
Oh!
Oh!
Okay.
Oh, is that a
Oh,
good okay? Is that a bad okay? We
Medyo
can't
Can't
Wait,
tell.
Gabi na mix it?
Parang kirang hirap basahin ng kabilang team, no? Kasi seryoso talaga sila sa ginagawa nila.
They're very focused.
Wow.
Wow, a nice color, I must
I
say.
know, it really said choco.
Oh, does that mean it's burnt? Oh my!
Is that sarcasm or a true compliment,
Oh, she
Michael?
flipped it again, she flipped it again. And she is about to flip it again.
Please pray na
So will looks be deceiving or will it
Looks
taste...
can be this evening.
Huh?
Oh, they're doing
Oh,
a
they're
taste
trying it out.
test.
Or the...
Fire!
Fire?
May powder.
Fireworks in my tongue. bro.
Firework. Oh.
Oh.
Antian mo lang.
The dark chocolate.
Yeah.
They're spraying some more oil. That's a lot of oil, so it
lot of
doesn't
oil.
stick.
Spray bottle, bro.
Okay.
So it's kind of tiny.
I use butter when I make my pancakes.
I don't know.
I'll make the perfect.
You don't.
I have never, probably.
Just adds a little more flavor to it.
Yeah.
Yun na,
I wonder if they have chocolate
need-
syrup.
syrup.
I'll just practice.
Because would that make it too much?
I think it would. Like if it's the normal syrup, but if it's the chocolate,
Ganun
I
kaya?
think it would go well with it.
Gusto mo i-try ko.
Diba?
Ito yung toppings na ano, champurrado.
Ang galing natin. Yes, yes, yes.
Like
yes, yes.
evaporate.
Thank you, Fudgy.
Thank you, Fudgy.
Thank you, Fudgy.
Or sugar. So eto na po, naglabas na din ng bowl ang Team Bianca at Michael. Mukhang ready na sila mag-plate in just a bit. They also have their cut-up fudgy bars to, I'm assuming, put on top
As
of their
toppings.
champurrado.
Yes. Oh, I can see the consistency with that champurrado,
Parang
girlie.
malapot yan.
I'm so excited to try
Let's
both
read the
dishes,
reaction.
Ralph.
Sarap daw. Is she acting? Is she an actress or is she a chef?
No, it's really good. You guys are gonna love this. Sobrang lasang-lasa mo yung richness ng chocolate ng fudgy bar.
Rich.
And I feel like it's really different from our typical champurrado that we
Yeah.
have at home.
And fudgy
Ibang
actually
atake.
helped it really get richer.
Richer,
Totoo yung flavors
yeah.
natin dyan.
Appetizing pala, no?
Iset aside na natin.
Yeah.
They got it.
Ito para mas
Got it.
Confidence from both sides of the kitchen. Is that whipped cream is near?
Shaking it. He's
Ah.
shaking it. Slowly but surely, ang team is near.
Ayan, nagpapakool na po sila ng kanilang champurado. Para saan kaya ang pan?
Yeah, magpa-fry pa kami. Take your time.
Magfa-fry pa sila.
Oh, that's a perfect one.
Oh, looks like they're liking the results, Ralph.
Very happy. Nang agaw na po ng oil si Chef Bianca sa kabilang steak.
Our sportsmanship,
Love each
you know.
Okay, they share their ingredients and they share the love for fudgy bar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Adlib.
Fudgy. Fudgy ano?
Chefs, judges pala, sorry. You guys look like chefs eh. What can you say about fudgy bar that you want to experience
Yes,
in our
tama.
creations?
Ano nga ba, Ralph?
Ako siguro yung richness lang ng flavor ng fudgy bar. Kasi yun talaga yung inaabangan ko every time I take a bite.
Okay.
Ako siguro, my favorite part kasi ng fudgy bar is the filling. I
filling.
hope that I
Natin
can
para
still
for the-
This
taste
filling.
it with your champurrado dish.
Tapos
Tama,
iba.
tama. Which
Ganyan.
one would you say is your favorite filling out of everything? Disregard the
Tatlo
outside
lang, no?
cake.
God, that is so difficult, Ralph. I love it all. I love it all. I really gotta go with the...
For sure, sobrang saya nyo kasi makakatikim kayo.
Kaya to. I think this is a lot actually.
Grabe. I feel like
You could also melt the chocolate,
any
ah.
of the flavors of the cake.
Tapos lagyan ng konting...
Sige, sige.
Classic chocolate.
Ano gawa na tayo ng ano?
Wow. Wow, I love that. I love that, girl. I love that.
Third one.
Ganache.
Yeah, ganun.
Butter.
Durian.
The durian even.
Imagine how creative Fudgy Bar is. They incorporated
Whipped
durian
cream top. Whipped cream tapos ganyan ulit.
What do you call it?
Bar.
Fudgy bar.
Dalawa.
What is a fudgy?
Gusto mo isa lang?
So it's like a cake. It's
Cake. A
It's a cake
cake.
snack.
Yes.
Para for sure muna, ito na lang. Then,
Ayan na.
Yan na.
Piprito na po.
Ano ba yan? Dilis?
Wow.
Dilis?
Dilis.
dalawa
It is.
pa.
Paired with your perfect over sa sarap na champurado.
Oh, I can smell the dilis, guys. Woo!
It's been a
Making me
while.
hungry.
Reminds me of home.
Absolutely.
Dilis is one of my favorite dried fish.
Hala, sarap!
Oh, our breakfast, guys.
As near using some sort of
Wow, their pancakes look
initiation, intimidation tactics learned from the book Power. Going over to his
Power.
Yeah, ito boil mo na. Boil mo yung maliit.
You know what?
na.
I
Yes,
think
yes,
it's near
for
you.
the stacking.
That book
Which one?
being
Stacking nga, galore.
Unpredictable.
Oh,
Ay,
yeah.
yup, same,
Sobra.
same. You never know if
That's
he's
so
gonna
cute.
bring out that ball of energy or just stay quiet
Oh, yeah.
throughout the day.
Really?
Yung water na lang natin. Yung bottled water.
Hindi, ilalagay natin
Here and
sa
Charlie
Kasya ba?
seeming to have a bit of problems with regards to the
Gets.
pans.
Kasha yan.
Kasya yan.
Ano
Ano
kaya
Gets,
natin
gets, gets.
natanggal nila? Or do they just...
Or diretso na natin water para faster.
You can just make it in the pot, no?
Yeah.
Heart shape, my request daw po si Judge Kira.
Oh,
Oh, we tried, girl, but
Tried,
it's
babe.
not appetizing.
it doesn't look...
Yeah, we tried the bahay shape.
Because we're in the house.
Yeah, but
I
no,
thought we
no.
were underdogs, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Dang it.
Practice lang.
Additional ingredient pa kanina si Chef Charlie. Dadagdagan niya
Oh!
ng konting giniling ang kanyang fudgy bar. Hey!
Hey! Giling-giling.
Giling-giling. Eh, dapat...
Grabe, who would have...
Dilis, ang bango ng dilis.
Sobra.
Go.
Ooh, some more chocolate chip.
More chocolate, Bianca?
We want it to be special for y'all.
Ako honestly, bigay niyo lang sa akin yung dilis, masaya na ako.
Yes, ako.
Yan, yan.
Promise.
Bigay mo lang sa akin yung fudgy bar, masaya
Go.
na ako.
Down to their last spatula. Because Chef Bianca dropped the first one. Let's see if that's all they need to complete their dish.
Yes.
Esnir doing his happy dance.
Oh!
Reaction from the other team.
A big happy
That's
reaction,
a big
Ralph.
one, Kira, don't you think?
But is it just for show?
Chocolate.
I wonder.
I think it's the egg yolk, baby. It's the egg yolk, baby.
Go, push naman na.
Giving credit to the egg master himself, Esnir says the
Oh,
egg
ito.
yolks
Ito yung ano.
have made their pancakes
Milk chocolate.
perfect for us today.
So perfect.
Yes, yes, yes.
OMG.
They have not had
Someone
enough of the
stole
chocolate chips.
They
dark
just
chocolate.
dumped it all in. That's
the
gonna
milk
be really
chocolate.
chocolatey.
OMG, girly.
It's okay, we have this.
I always use hot water, yeah. So, kahit hindi na, no? Wala man siyang amoy. Pero, syempre, kailangan i-rinse din. Oo. Thank you, love. Hot water. Yo. Bro. Bro. Bakla, anong pumasok? Oh no! Oh no! Oops!
Whoops.
Whoops!
Oopsie.
Pero ayoko mabasa yung trench eh.
Yay!
You did it na! Oh my God, thank you, Mika. Thank you so much. Wait lang.
For me?
Tas ito.
No, you saw mine.
Oh, yeah.
Dito boots ko, tapos all this.
Thank you, Mika. Takin ako sa puso. Thank you, though. Thank you.
Bro! Kasi ako along, like, tool, material lace.
Huwag po kayo mag-alala, ate, I'm not getting it wet.
We're supporting.
O bawal po ba gawin yan? Okay lang po ba?
Oh no, you're gonna crumple it. You have to let it out.
Sorry.
Ako pa naman yung tagahugas. Gaganon mo.
Hindi, tatanggalin ko na lang tapos.
Biglang, yung ganyan. Tapos, ay, wait lang.
Oh, yeah. Ay, wait lang. Here, you want something?
There's no toyo.
Oh, I'll fry an egg. Tulang na lang, boots. Actually, boots. Oh, sorry. Oh, ano,
Mga CEO.
yeah, diba?
Yan yung forma ni ano eh, yung what shows. K-drama nga.
It's okay not to be okay. Queen of Tears?
Parang it's okay not to.
It's okay not to be okay.
Yung fashion ng isang ano dyan.
Yung girl na baliw. Hindi.
Yung baliw nga.
Oo, kasi gumagano siya like, yung isang favorite kong Queen of Tears. Queen of Tears.
Hindi ko pa napapanood.
Very, very nice.
Goblin na pala niya.
Goblin, yeah.
Goblin.
Hindi kasi ako super ano eh, yung social ba eh. Pero pag may maganda talaga. Yung Descendants at K-drama.
Yeah.
It's not so.
Na in-adopt din.
Po, si Emilio ulit yan.
Hindi ka lumabas, no? Kanino yan? Is that yours, ate? This one? Oh my God! Can I try it? Oh my God! Ang ganda! Maganda. Very cute. Super cutesy.
Ba't ka pinag-brown?
Kulay po ng fudgy bar. Oh, it's heavy.
Very bagay sa'yo.
Does it look good?
Oversize looks good on you.
Well, damn, girl.
Bagay. Oh.
Kumuha ka na. Wow. Si Brent pala yung hindi ko pa
Ganda.
Do you like it, Brent? Is it fashion?
Go lang, wear it lang.
Yeah. I think it would suit Dustin. Huh? Uh-huh. Pop.
Uy, bagay.
Pops.
Bagay nga.
Bagay. Take off the glasses. Diba? Yeah. Bakit?
Ano sabi?
Hala. Why?
Ano pinag-uusapan nila?
Sabi ko. Ano pinag-uusapan nila? Ano pinag-uusapan? Ano pinag-uusapan nyo? Ano sabi?
Sorry kuya, sorry po. Sorry po.
Ano pinag-uusapan niyo doon? Oo nga.
My God, River.
River! Ano yung pinag-uusapan nyo?
Pretty sure.
Pero, I
Clone ko
wonder if sa poses
Nakatalikod
pa
tayo.
rin. Kasi di ba kung pabalik na tayo, talikod pa rin.
So I think, kung pabalik, okay. So we walk forward, di ba na nakatalikod?
Yeah.
So makikita yung design ng loop.
Likod.
Oo.
So we have to focus sa
Focus natin muna.
likod.
And then, pag U-turn, bago mag-U-turn, tanggal cloak, ikot, tapos walk backwards para makita naman yung harap.
Okay.
Then,
Let's talk about for designing, preparation of clothes also.
kasi,
I-group natin kung sino kaya mag-head sa design.
Yeah.
Or head sa
styling.
production, mga ganun.
I think, we're gonna find that out tomorrow then. Pero we have people at top of mind naman.
Yeah, I have,
Sino ba yung sa'yo for girls?
for creating clothes, si Charlie. Kasi yung nag-attend daw siya ng show, she did her own, sewing like that. Designing, I think Charlie most.
Design.
Oo.
So guys,
And pwede si Bianca.
Esnir.
Oo, Esnir. And
Esnir,
ikaw.
Charlie, Bianca. For design, pwede din. I can
Yeah.
be part of that. Tapos, styling,
Brent for boy.
Brent, yeah.
And
Tapos,
baka
Si-
Ate Michelle, what exercises can you recommend? Kasi diba like in trainings, there's always mga exercises before the walk talaga. What can you recommend for balance and to focus on being like really straight?
Pero also, it's sure na backwards.
Yeah.
You really have to just keep doing it backwards. I think we should make a pathway.
Should we
So,
do yung yung mga lunges, the one with heels, no na?
I don't
Para
recommend high
mapembot-pembot.
heels. I think kitty heels would be the safest bet.
I think,
Kasi you're already walking backwards. There's no point in trying to make your pasarela a normal pasarela.
Okay. So, wag na yung mga ganun na
Like,
training.
the best training lang for backwards would be backwards. Nobody walks.
Yeah.
Parang it's so
It's
weird,
awkward.
diba?
Yeah.
No, I mean, it looks weird. Parang, what does Kuya expect? Like, it's so weird. So, unless
Kaya
sinayaw.
pala rampa up, ma'am.
Kasi pabalik.
Oo.
I think, like, if you were to...
Pero, Ate Michelle, si Kim,
Yan,
she
eto.
only has the high
This
High
is,
heels.
this is probably the best.
Wala siyang kitten.
Wait. Ian, where are you when I need you? Michael. Wala na eh. Parang yan na yung... There's no way to make it look good.
Yeah.
So it's just getting the challenge na lang. Kasi even if you dance it,
Kahit gawin na lang natin very straightforward.
Yeah.
but for training purposes,
Yeah.
since we don't know the runway,
Yeah.
I think, what's this for?
I don't know. I just have... I found the tape there lang.
Okay, kasi then you can make a path.
Yeah.
Yeah. We plan on asking for more tape.
More tapes
Like
on
masking tape lang.
para makita natin.
Oo.
Just in case.
I think make a, ano talaga.
And then we plan on making 2 batches today. First yung boys, the next yung girls. And then we can put longer time for the girls since naka-heels sila.
I think really kitty.
Kitten. Pero yung si,
Some others
Kira
kasi wala
doesn't
silang
have
ganun.
kitten. They have the
The high talaga.
I have one that you can use.
Probably Charlie na lang siya.
Charlie can use yours.
Actually, kasi Charlie has experience. I think kaya niya yung Rabias because they're very secure. My kitty, somebody else can use it.
Hanapan na lang natin ng someone your
Si
size.
Kira.
Kira.
Kira. Hers is very high. Oh. Ganun.
But to be fair, ano siya,
Platform.
hindi yung makapal yung
makapal.
likod.
Pero what if sobrang narrow?
And also, I think, like when you walk kasi, like kanina, tinry lang ni, who tried it kanina, Mika ata. When you do this, yan, dyan ka mas ma-outbalance. Dapat medyo ganyan. You know when you ride a bike or something, you're asked to look ahead. It's the same thing when you walk backwards. Parang you have to find a point. So when you go like this, wala na yung balance.
Kailangan we have to do a performance level pa rin. Maganda pa rin tingnan. Hindi yung awkward.
Tsaka yung concern ko lang kung magbabaluktot-baluktot yung runway.
Sana may scoring na kuya. Tignan mo na.
I feel like ikaw yung judge. Mag-judge
Ako?
ka for the runway.
Ay, hindi ko nakita na dapa ba?
5 mistakes.
Ay, hindi ko nakita.
Kahit konting, ano lang eh. Like the smallest details, they...
No, I think there's a possibility na over the pool pa yan.
Yun
Like
din yung
Thailand.
naisip ko. Oo.
Over the pool, possible.
Siguro
Final
like a
round,
plank
ganon.
Yeah.
over the...
Like, possible parang it'll start here, palabas.
Palabas.
Yeah.
Tapos cross the pool. Tapos yun na yun.
Possible.
I would assume that.
Sobrang hirap. One mistake.
If I were
hulog
kuya,
ka.
if I were kuya, that's what I would do.
That's what they did,
Binigyan ng
diba?
idea. Sa
Yung
Thailand, yeah.
Thailand.
So blindfolds and tape.
So I think it's like books for the stance, and then partner exercises na ano talaga the partner is para matuto to listen to the duo lang.
Yeah.
Because with the absence of a runway, you can just put one line. Kahit hindi mo na gawin yung ano, just make them follow that one line.
Just make sure it's in between the yung guys.
As in,
Nandun
hindi, I think even guys should do this.
Yeah.
I think guys should do that too.
Oh my God.
Wala, maiksi pa.
Para they learn how to like, okay, stop. And then to turn, parang have one way to turn lang.
Okay.
Like ito, if you're gonna turn left, it should be like left. Left. Right. Right. Left.
I think it would be better.
Right.
The boys use the shoes that they're gonna give back on you. Yeah.
Leather.
Para masanay na sila.
No.
Yung boys will use the shoes that they're gonna use for the show.
Leather shoes.
Para masanay sila.
For sure. But I think you can do just assuming left and right, do footworks first. I can help you naman with footworks. Parang, if it's blindfolded right, this is right. Blindfolded left, this is left.
Yeah.
Gets mo? Kasi if you're here, then you have to turn left. That's where people are gonna, it's like very military stance.
Gets.
Diba?
So, okay, I get it.
Kasi if you're walking backwards and then you have to turn right, kunwari, parang gagano na sila. So you have to start with left. Para ganyan na
Then
sila.
we have to make sure
Right.
na hindi talaga sila gagawin.
Yung ulo nila.
Mistake din yun.
And assume na kuya won't let you look backwards.
Yeah.
I think it's a
considered
duo
mistake.
exercise.
Yeah.
With the fact na bagong duo, new pasok,
Yeah.
new challenge. I think it's gonna be a trust exercise.
So, si Wood. Hanggaan.
Nagpa-practice.
Kasi how else are you going to, how else are you gonna turn without seeing?
Uy, oo. Ayun. Nabully ako.
Galing ka dun?
Last birthday ko. Last.
Kamusta naman?
14 days.
Kira,
Masaya naman.
Kira,
Maganda. Malamig
do you have
sobra.
other heels?
Lalo na December birthday.
one heels ka lang.
One lang.
Pero you're comfortable with your heels. What's your size?
Size 7.5. Hindi ko kasi ramdam yung floor dun sa heels ko dahil platform siya.
Lahat ng mga
Yun.
Hindi ka sobrang comfortable sa heels mo.
Not so. Not for rampa-rampa.
Practice natin later.
Practice tayo later. Ah, sige.
Ikaw, comfortable ka sa heels mo.
Meron pa ba?
What do you mean, meron?
Pwede ba kukuha kayo kay Kuya din?
Let me know para ma-request natin. Sige.
But it's higher lang. Pero yung heels ko kasi ngayon, wala siyang strap.
Medyo, ano ka. Nirecommend ni Ate Michelle kitten heels.
Kitten heels, yung small lang. Oh.
Short lang kasi mga ganun. I saw your heels yesterday.
Tama ba?
Naka-cloak tapos walking backwards, edi matatapilok tayo niyan.
That's the challenge.
Tapos you think it's straight, no?
I don't know, pero ramdam ko over the pool. Like from all the way inside.
Wala pa rin ano, a fine area.
Ha?
Wala pa rin
Wala pa.
Wala ko vintage. Ang nice ng ano.
Capsule collection.
Ubus agad? Sold out agad?
Can do it.
You wanna make brownie bites?
Ngayon?
Yes. Tara?
Oh, sige.
Hindi, ayoko.
Ayoko. Ay, kumain na.
Okay lang yan.
Ha? Uy.
Gusto ko nga.
Fudgy bar is better when it's scared. Ah, okay. Brownie bites lang din yung ginamit dito, no?
Tinuruan niya. Inano ko si Bianca eh.
Where is the night?
Fudgy bar.
after.
Okay. Ayaw mo ngayon, ah?
Ginagawa ko after para hindi siya masira.
Ah, nasisira ba? Ah, okay. I'll put it. I wanna get my heels and try it here, actually. Yung ito. Kaya to, bro.
Spawn pocket. Baka ito yung basis. Oo nga eh. Ribs. Sip ako lang.
Baka naman sa next.
Okay lang pa sip. Parang di doable kung ito lang.
No. Parang,
Unfazed. That's another one, unfazed.
Grabe naman yung bro, 5 mistakes.
I have a feeling it won't be like this naman. Feeling ko mga at least pag mainit. Kasi ang ilaw. Kaya naman pag ganyan.
Nakapanibago.
Kasi mahuhuli ko talaga pag balance. Ano ba to? Oh, 7-Eleven.
Oh, yeah. Manit popcorn.
Okay din pala yung block, no?
Parang dumilim nga.
Hirap nito. Walang ilaw. Medyo vibing eh.
Yan nga eh.
Ngayon lang tayo nagkadilim. Anong brand yan, bro?
Yung kaya na.
Yeah.
H na.
Huh? Pumunta ka nun?
Parang Hindi ako pumunta pag H eh.
It's hard.
Hindi ako pupunta bro.
Parang nakaka-straight din doon ng katawan.
Pero hirap sa passion. Yun yung gusto ko i-try na mas like yung... That's why this year, sabi ko yung mga ginagawa mo, gusto ko matry.
Okay siya. Pang lang, pang confidence boost.
Yung team ng VM, babait eh. Pero bata nila lahat.
Saan nag-shoot?
Sa Escolta.
1.5 per hour.
Tapos yung building na yun is 150 years old ata. Maintain lang nila. Kaya doon siya kumuha.
Office na
Oo, tapos ilalim parang nightlife.
Early?
Oo, transfer nila. Pero ang galing na, impress ako. Like, yung setup namin, hawak lang yung lights. Tapos, camera. Pero ang ganda ng ano.
Dire-diretso lang sila.
Didn't nobody water the
Pwede
plant?
ka rin mag-fashion.
Oh, yeah! Nobody watered the
You have the height.
plant.
Mga runway. Runway, hindi ko talaga, parang hindi ko kaya.
Pero hindi ko rin kaya.
Pero posing kaya ko. Hirap pag runway. I always overthink eh.
Saka parang yung 1 second na mag-iba yung face mo, alam na nila na kinakabahan ka eh.
Dapat diretso all the way.
Diretso all the way.
Focus talaga. Mga picture okay pa eh, pero yung doon mahirap yung...
Oh, kasi may parang may pause ka eh. May break ka eh. Pero yung sa runway, all throughout.
Pero gusto ko talaga matry yung B, if ever. Yo!
Yes, Ralph.
Doon. Kinausap ka ba?
Oo.
Ha?
About it?
Hindi.
Wala ko about it.
Kala ko about it.
Malala ba bro? Malala.
Hindi naman. I think, inano lang tayo ni Kuya kasi parang sabi niya hindi siya natatakot.
Sabi niya?
Weh?
As a joke. But then, nakikinig si Kuya. Guys, sa plasma.
Hindi siya natatakot na?
May sinasabi lang siyang joke. And then parang yun.
Kamusta bro? Anong plan niyo? Wala pa?
Pero malaking factor talaga yung
Food.
nutrition. Like, 30-70 talaga yun eh.
30 workout, 70 food.
Oo.
Like, mas gusto ko din na maging routine na lang yung kinakain ko. Na paulit-ulit na lang kasi yung
Oo.
iisipin ko pa, titimbangin ko pa and everything.
Ha? 18. 16.
Ang hirap nandito ngayon sa floor.
Yeah.
This is a fashion show. Dapat
Hindi ka din titingin.
Yeah.
Forward kasi kaya eh.
Yung parang,
Tapos yung pabalik, yung mahirap eh. Oh,
Lampas.
Hirap! Go.
Tsaka, feeling ko mas kaya kapag diretso, pero feeling ko masikot-sikot yun eh.
Feeling ko nga ganito.
Lampas.
oo. Oo. Kailangan... Dito.
Feel ko dito. Sa pool.
Very likely.
Real, feeling ko dito pwede mag-practice itong ganong ka-wide.
Lampas.
Saan?
Ralph,
Ay.
feeling ko ganito ka-wide, pwede. Ito.
Saan?
Ito
Saan?
yung practice
Oo.
natin. Huwag dito, kasi yung mga girls, baka mahulog sila
Oo
dito.
nga, yeah.
Dito na lang.
Gagawa naman tayo ng pass mamaya.
Oo.
Pero, just in case, let's not use this first. Kasi baka elevated eh. Baka people might fall. So, at least have a
Pero-
line where we know na
Pero
nasa
feeling ko
center.
magandang ano to.
Magandang length, no?
Oo, feeling ko. Parang ganyan ka ano.
Like 1 foot.
Oo, 1 foot
Sobrang-
lang talaga.
Yeah.
Sobrang hirap sa girls.
Ganyan, oo.
Hirap.
Ito,
Naka-heels.
Na-imagine ko na lang.
Yan ah.
Kung nakatip itos ako,
I don't know eh.
siguro
Wala pa silang
fashion show eh, di ba?
pero
Ayun na nga eh.
I asked Kira,
Matapilok pa sila.
yun lang daw yung
Dami.
meron siya. And then hindi siya sobrang comfortable.
Safety hazard na talaga yun eh.
aren't stable.
Sino?
I mean, they're stable, but there's a part yung takot. What's it called? Takot.
Yeah.
Break it down.
Nagsi-shake.
Takot.
Comfy ka sa heels mo.
Sorry.
Are you comfy with
Sorry.
your heels?
Sorry, bro.
Sorry.
Charlie, are you comfy? Okay.
Oh my God, I'm so
Kasi si
So, sabi mo, so
sabi ni
cringe.
Ate Michelle,
So cringe, Charlie.
some can borrow
yapa
her
is
stuff.
so cringe.
Maybe not.
Trying close to her. Kasi ako lang yung kasay natin siya.
Mm.
Yeah, bro. I mean, perfect talaga sa akin.
Bruh.
Brent Penala, what's the word?
Ano yan? Shoes?
Thank you! Wala, kuya, yung chinelos ko. Wala.
Tapos kailangan sobrang stable ng core mo, no? Easy. For this. Pero you can't look stiff. What the heck?
Sorry na natin, easy. Kung ako heels ko.
I don't think I'll be using this one. Tingnan mo. Sobrang hirap nito.
Kaya yan! Okay na to!
Hirap.
Kaya yan!
Hirap.
Nahirapan ka?
Hirap.
Ganito yung kay Ate Michelle.
Yeah, pero hirap.
Nahirapan ka?
Hirap yan.
I'll get mine.
We have to go for something na hindi natin i-risk.
Safe na.
Safe tayo.
Hirap, men.
Tara, oh. Triangle.
That one is safe pa.
Yeah.
Ako to my siblings. Like 20 years, 10 years.
Alam mo, ganyan din ako. Hindi ako ma-ate or kuya.
To others na, pero to my family.
To others, hindi ako sanay. Sa family ko sanay.
Ako opposite.
Mm-mm.
Sa family, hindi ako.
Let's go, Ralph. Bruh.
Pero yung,
Ang hirap. Ha?
pero yung mga pinsan, hindi ako ma-ate kuya.
First name.
First name kami. Kasi ano eh, yung may pagka-Spanish.
May pag-Glench pa ng
American
Joe, ha?
na ano.
Kasi
Growing up.
dito dapat siya eh. Yung tight. Try mo.
Dito kaya, sa may ano, para mas mahirap.
It's hard. This is too... I feel like there's... sana naman. Sa
Para, if ever, it's like this, at least
Tingin ko may
na-practice
time
mo na
limit
to.
din to eh. Go.
Meron.
No?
Feel ko.
Kasi babagalan natin if walang time limit eh.
Yeah.
Tape?
Yung, no. Tsaka hindi din sila magbibigay ng hints. And they didn't wanna give us a blindfold.
No, for sure. Pero I think kaya yan na.
Yes.
Na parang kunwari pag...
That's hard.
Like, kunwari
Tama
ito,
pa rin.
para papunta na sa
Tumawa,
dulo.
hindi naman.
This is when your duo comes in eh.
Turn.
Diba?
Yeah. It's gonna be...
It'll actually be around the pool na.
No, I think it's gonna be around the house.
Around the house.
What did the letter say?
Because I have a feeling that they're not gonna include your duo. You just got a new duo.
Masyadong mataas.
This is the heels I have. Na
You wanna try mine?
Pina-request ko per... Ay, yours is so big.
No, my kitty heels. My smaller ones.
What size?
9.
I'm size 5.
Size. Only size talaga.
Cute.
But I don't think I'll be using this one. It's too...
Pero kaya siya though. I love
wala,
those.
wala.
Those are my second favorite.
Pati yung first one, bro. Ay, yung second one, walang letter.
I mean, hindi ako comfortable with this. Kasi there are times na gumaganon ako.
Pero try it backwards,
So,
you
not-
never know.
Outside?
Try ko later.
Ganyan naman eh, balance
Feel ko
naman
ikot
eh.
yung bahay.
Wow.
This is a challenge.
It is a challenge.
Welcome to the house.
Oh my gosh.
Good luck, guys.
Kasama ko dyan.
What are you guys planning to
Good
do?
luck to us.
What are you guys planning to do?
Siyempre sila yung
I told
winner.
sila Ralph.
After
Good luck,
lunch?
Ralph.
Before lunch?
I'm also pressured because I'm in here, so I feel like that's why I'm here. To assume the hardest challenge na with a duo. Para if it's easier, it's easier. Like, find the trust challenge for the duo talaga. And if walang blindfold, at least.
Oh, no. Why did you say that? You're giving him ideas.
Narinig na niya kanina pa yan.
I was about to say, what if blindfold?
Whatever it is, I don't think, like,
Backwards pa? No.
you don't need to be blindfolded
You
to
don't want us to
already
have
be
food.
like, parang, I
Actually-
think bawal kang gumanon eh.
I feel like blindfolding is even gonna help kasi hindi ka maka-conscious na tumingin sa baba din.
Well, yes and no. I think mahirap din yung hindi mo alam if...
Mawawalan ka ng senses pag naka-blindfold eh.
I think kuya won't blindfold you, but I think bawal tumingin. Gumanon.
Yeah, bawal.
I think bawal, and I think that's
Mistake.
when the duo comes in. Like, kunwari, keep going backwards. If it's time limited, go backwards. Diba, you won't know when to turn.
Yeah. Kailangan may direct
Pero
direction.
medyo late na to.
Ralph,
And then when you
Ano
say
ito eh?
stop, right.
Sa
Bakit,
corners, we can, if ever may corners man, just say post there.
Josh,
Just para at least may reason on stopping.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
that's when you can adjust na.
Yeah. Kaya nun. Pose!
kasi yung lahat ng shirts ko small. Tapos lahat ng shirts niya medium. Mas gusto niya small. Oversize. Basic lang. Shirts na nga.
Lumampas ba ako doon? Paano kaya ito?
Hirap.
Try mo,
I
Charlie.
feel like the challenge, I feel like the challenge won't be because...
Kasi ang kapal eh. Hindi kasya sa maleta.
Hindi ko marami akong iiwan if palabasan ako ni Kuya. Marami
Pero
lang
naman ako nito.
Kaya
Balik
nga,
ko na lang.
marami akong iiwan. Tapos mga hindi for bigay.
Oh my gosh.
For balik paglabas.
We're here. We're open.
Pag nagkita
Oh
tayo sa
my
event,
gosh.
ano kasi. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the coat.
Ay, hindi, ibigay, alam mo ka na magbabalik. Ryuji.
Brent, add her to the group chat. We'll add you to the group chat.
After, yeah. Add me
Yeah.
after.
We're all
When a group chat is created eventually.
Yeah. When we're gonna eat na and everything,
kasama.
invite all the house guests.
Oh,
We have plans na for going out.
let's go to Bali.
Libre daw ni Gabi.
Oo.
Yung
Hot
hot
pot. Hot pot, Ate Gabby. Libre ko steak.
Oh!
At your house?
Yeah, sa bahay ko. Bahay namin ni Rian. The rematch will host.
Ano kayo, condo ba?
Bahay.
Ah, bahay na talaga. Sige, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Mga tabi.
So, 5 mistakes, walking backwards, walang sinabi na duo. But I'm assuming duo.
Usually sa weekly task
Wala, hindi siya duo eh. Parang group task talaga siya.
There's a different duo task. Mga duo.
Okay, so whether it's duo or not, I still think somebody has to guide if backwards, eh. You think?
Who's my duo? Kira.
If it's not a duo, then... Hirap pa rin backwards, eh.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Unless bilangan. 5, 10, 5. That's another possibility, no? How many steps? OMG.
When do you guys when are you guys gonna decide to train? Like now,
After lunch.
after lunch?
Charlie.
Oh my God, I thought it was like 2 p.m. now.
Probably.
Yeah. Starting today, can you think of like possible designs for cloak and panloob?
For everyone?
For
Just
girls.
general.
For girls, general. I actually have like a few in mind, but I don't know kasi what
And then
have.
it would be nice if we connect it to each like
Person.
personality.
something unique.
Ano yung mga bawal sa ano? Bawal yung sponsor rappers or any?
Yeah.
Don't mess with the brands, even the placement. Don't mess with it.
You're not allowed to
Even
get
the plants.
from the
Plants also. Plants, furniture.
Plants, furniture,
So-
bawal galawin.
So for sure, maybe today or tomorrow, Kuya will tell us how
yeah.
you're going to create these things.
Yeah.
I asked him kanina, then he said
Bukas na.
bukas na.
Kuya, marami yung tela dyan. Donate ka na lang.
And then who can you think of as a team for
Sewing?
We can just ask them tomorrow.
tomorrow?
I'm sure bibigyan kayo ni Kuya ng pang-sew.
If may sewing machine, I'll make it 10 times.
I don't think he'll give
Wala,
machine.
I feel like
Puro tayo manual eh. Like even yung sa
Yeah.
previous task natin, puro manual.
Kaya nga eh.
Yung potato tornado.
Yeah. I feel like yung mga delegation na yan, we wait for tomorrow. Ask them what they wanna do. Kasi sila naman din alam kung may strength sila dito. Ganun. Tapos today, training talaga. We have to get them used to walking straight forward first.
Yeah.
Forward with the book. Tapos saka na tayo mag-backwards afterwards.
Para ma-comfortable sila.
The book kasi is really so you don't do this. Eh.
Yeah.
That's what will get you off balance talaga. Yung pag umanon ka, kaganyan ka na.
Should we have lunch now? So we can start?
Tapos na ba yung food?
I'll try.
Ate Michelle, what was the purpose of the props? I'm scared kasi na we have to incorporate the props to the cloak.
I don't know. I was just told to distribute it.
Oh.
But with no specific, like, ito yung kay. It was just, here's 16 props.
Go for it lang.
Choose one for everyone.
That's what I'm scared of eh. Like if we have to use the props and incorporate to the clothes. Kasi they didn't give us a specific design. So if the props was something like our design or a theme for us to base the cloak on and the top of from.
That's true, because it's also possible that Kuya makes you put the props somewhere specific and remember it.
Or even like holding it while we're doing the runway, going backwards. Ganon.
With a cloak?
It's Kuya. It's Kuya. We don't know Kuya. I'm scared.
Kuya, so many secrets. So many secrets even I can't share.
Oh God, we'll see what happens. Oh my God. I'm excited. Bakit walang ilaw?
Sorry?
Walang ilaw.
You want? So bright.
No, here. Usually there is.
Pero okay na yan.
Okay na yan.
Bright.
Don't on it.
Kuya, kuya, kuya. Where art thou, kuya?
What are you guys planning for like the training? Here.
I think it's important that everyone moves uniformly, just in case. It's a group task, so you don't want people walking different
ways.
The book, they're gonna do a balancing thing forward, just so people remember to look chin up. And then, like, any of my forward training kasi won't really be applicable if you're walking backwards. Actually, walking backwards, what's more applicable is my military training.
Oh, so what's that? What's the military training about?
I mean, we don't walk backwards, but we walk in sync, and we know how to turn uniformly. Because I was explaining, what if you can't look behind you and you have to turn right? You can't turn like this because you can't really tell. You kind of have to go like that.
Yeah.
Or like that. And naman, obviously, when you're doing runway forward, it's different. Diba?
Yeah.
Obviously different.
Kasi like, they were saying that even just doing runway forward is hard na kasi like you don't know what the director wants your walk to look like, and it has to be uniform with everyone else when it has a specific walk.
When it's fashion, yeah.
Yeah, and then the face cards and everything. That's what they were talking about kanina din.
Like I walk in New York, and it's so like they wanted 80% non-pageant. Like less hips, less shoulders. You're just a walking mannequin.
Yeah. That's what they always say.
Somehow not applicable in the Philippines because the Philippines really looks bad. So even when I do fashion here, I mean, obviously I'm expected somehow to be Michelle D also, but I have to tame it down for them.
Yeah.
So I'm more like, I'm less
hips, more relaxed. Guys.
Yeah. Sorry.
Damn it! Mango.
Saan? Ito. No choice. It's either magutom ka or kainin mo yan.
May kain na.
Excuse me.
Ika.
Kakarating ko lang.
Isang laman daw kada tao.
Ha?
Isang laman daw kada tao.
Date mo.
Kasi pula na naman.
Manggo.
Okay na yan. I'm sorry.
Pwede ba to? Or
Lang
may
na.
isa pang ano?
Isang laman po kada tao. Pero
Okay lang ba to?
Pero dahil chicks ka, dalawa.
Okay lang gamitin to? Hindi. Iba na lang.
Here.
Thank you.
Ma, sobrang sarap. Iyan ng munggo.
Yan ang munggo. Isang laman po kada tao. Pero let's see.
Give me another.
Pahingi.
Ito po.
Ang ulam
More sabaw, sir?
Sige. Thank you.
Sana madagdagan.
Isang laman po kada tao. I'm so sorry.
Isang laman?
Oh, ayan. Isang laman yan.
Tama, ayan eh.
Asan si aking
Wala po.
mahal?
Puro taba po,
Asan
sir.
si aking
Ganyan
mahal?
po talaga, sir. Wala na po favoritism ngayon.
Curly.
Para sa mahal ko. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Isang laman yan.
Oo, sabi ni Ate Kla.
Talaga, ate?
Isang laman kada tao, di ba, ate?
Taba yung akin eh.
Bumalik na lang pag meron pa. Bumalik ka na lang pag...
Teo. Pwede
O sige, akin na yung taba na yan. Isa yun na yung laman ko.
Pahingi isang laman.
Oh, sorry.
Gusto mo isang laman?
Yan.
Thank you.
Ate, konti lang laman. Tigi-tigis ang laman. Anong gusto mong part ng laman, bro?
Kahit laman na lang.
Ba't ang daming laman?
Okay na ba yan?
Ang laman!
Lima ba sa kanya? Oo.
Thank you.
Ayun. Dahil good talk po kanina, bibigyan po kita ng maliit pa na naman.
Shot po. Ay, Miss Mika.
Ayan po.
Maraming salamat po.
Ayan. May isa na po.
Ang cute ng munggo. Thank you, Mika.
Welcome. Sino pa?
Josh,
Oh.
ano yung plates?
Ayan, dahil...
Sorry, bro.
Paps, ikaw na yan eh. Tago ka. Tago na, Paps!
Okay na.
Paps! Paps, go na.
Thank you, Paps. Thank you.
Sino pa, guys? Confe. Charlie! Sige, mara. Hala. Dito?
Oh, there's no bowls. Let me use
Okay. Ba't dito ka kumakain? Hindi Favoritism sa duo
Oh!
Bakit? Akin na yung sa'yo. Ano? Yeah, dahil task leader ka, I'll give you 3.
Wow, I got 3.
Don't shout!
I got 3.
You gotta get rice first.
Ano? Dito.
Oh, it's okay.
Charlie.
Wait, there's
Charlie,
two
this
rice.
is zero.
Wait. I want this to
Rice.
Only one, Pero dahil ikaw na yan, bro. Ay, ang dami. Ano yun?
Kaya more sabaw na lang.
Okay, basta yuhain. Akin na. Charlie, ate, bibigyan pa kita ng laman. Marami pa. Sino ba gusto ng laman? Mamaya pa ako kakain.
Para.
Yes.
Rin ako dyan. Kulang, mamaya.
Tulala ka na naman, Bato.
White hair. Oh, white hair. Isa.
It's like you stood out among the darkness. Sorry, guys!
Thank you, Ate Clam.
The best ka talaga. Ikaw ang star.
Iyan ang tunay na.
Parang trip to Jerusalem to mga upuan natin pa iba-iba.
Dito ka na lang, Charlie, ah. Dito ka.
Si Josh.
Oh, Josh, dito ka. Mika.
Doon. Dito sa dulo.
Meron dito sa dulo.
What's happening?
Oops, ingat. Sino pa gusto laman?
Mamaya na. Sa mga
sorry.
round 2. Yes. Mamaya na, dinner na yan. Isang anuhan na daw.
Where's Josh?
Kasi isang anuhan na daw yan.
Oh, man. Okay, guys, let's pray. Miss Michelle, please pray for us.
Lord, thank you for the food, thank you for the blessings, thank you for everything that you have been giving us, especially for the inspiration to go by every day, including today. May you give us the inspiration to accomplish all the tasks as a group and give us the guidance that we need to ensure that they can win. Thank you for the food that's in front of us, and thank you for such a fun day yesterday as well. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Ate Clam.
Thank you, Ate Clam. Thank you. Monggo. You got this, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
sarap.
Here.
Okay na, te. Okay.
Sarap, Gigi. Pepper pa.
Para madami.
Yummy.
Can you put patis on this? You can.
Ano kasi ate? May chili oil.
Papaksiw ba kayo?
I love paksiw!
Okay, okay.
I love paksiw!
Ano ba, Dom?
Tama. Right.
Or let's just say,
A good meal. Walang diet sa bahay ni Kuya. Medyo.
gagalit na tayo.
I know you're still trying.
Gagalit na.
I just eat whatever na lang. Hindi nga ako nag-sit masyado sa, like, pag wala ka sa bahay, ni Kuya. Pero ngayon,
Bagay din sa'yo, Sweaty.
ikaw, kung hindi ko lang talaga kumain.
Ako, this is probably the most rice I've eaten in the last 6 months.
Talaga?
Really? No, kasi ano talaga, like shiitake rice.
You like it?
I love it. Like, because I have dehydrated shiitake rice from my nutritionist, Body by ALS. He sends me rice. And it smells like rice, tastes like rice, looks like rice, and you just add hot water. And I have it with any of my ulam. It's the same thing.
And you can have as many because it's zero calories. Or do you?
But yeah, and then like one of my best friends like started panicking for me.
Really?
I mean, Rian, like I'm sure she would be able to do this if she had the.
Can I think with you?
No, just about yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Which part about yesterday?
Sige nga.
No looking down.
Ganito na tayo magkwentuhan from now on. Not bad, Will, not bad. Yung kanan mo lang talaga yung lumalabas, pero yung kaliwa pasok na pasok. You know? Basic.
Tingin ka ba sa baba?
Ops,
Ops.
Practice na lang to.